Chicken Milanese with a brioche crumb is easy to make, if a little bit messy. You will need 2 brioche buns or about 100 grams of brioche loaf. Toast the brioche in the oven for 10 minutes. Then blitz into breadcrumbs in a food processor. Take 2 chicken breasts and individually wrap in greaseproof paper. Flatten the chicken breasts with a meat tenderizer. Cut the flattened breast in half. Prepare 3 large bowls of plain flour, beaten eggs and the brioche breadcrumbs. Coat the chicken breast in the flour, the egg, and then finally the breadcrumbs. Try to avoid using both hands because things can quickly get very messy. Melt a large knob of butter over a medium heat in a large frying pan. Add the chicken and fry for about 5 minutes on each side until the breadcrumbs are golden brown and the meat is cooked throughout. You may need to add a little more butter while the chicken is cooking. Serve with a sprinkling of salt, a hearty squeeze of fresh lemon, and an Italian-style salad. For more simple dinner ideas and easy recipes inspired by the professionals, subscribe now to Eat It Again or visit eatit.again.co.uk.